Hello everyone, good morning. This is Zach here from XIFU. So if you are watching this video with me, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons, help me to share this out. All right, so we're gonna start our section for today. Again, a quick disclaimer, this section here, we are not doing any buy and sell calls. So if you want to trade any stocks based on discussion this morning, make sure you go on trading plan. If not, get advice from the professional. All right, so the same things, okay? Same things, okay? We have been same things for months already, okay? So still the same, okay? KRSE, we start with KRSE first. KRSE, I still think that it's not a good time, okay, for us to look for short-term opportunity. So again, in other days, we talk about Genting M as well in our telegrams. But unfortunately, I think due to QR, right? So they dropped value also. So this is a few of the reasons why, even though sometimes I see good setups in this kind of market, right? I tend to avoid first, okay, rather than just blindly entering the counters. Okay, so again, it's good if you have some capital or some cash, okay, in your portfolio. So we wait for the next opportunity. All right. So okay, now this is a crucial level. Okay, against the price seems like keep testing around this area for 1-2 weeks, but still cannot break back to 1590. Okay, I will still think that this 1590 is a very crucial level. If they cannot break, market will still be like that. Okay, maybe one day up a bit, then drop for a few days. One day up a bit, drop for a few days. Okay, so today also we do see most of the indices, most of the sectors also it's not doing well. Okay, at least yesterday got a big green. Today mostly is red. Only the palm oil is green. The rest is red. Okay, so you can see that. All right. Do let me know any counters you want me to take a look. To be frank, I really have nothing much for today. We've been nothing much for a few days already. I thought you're going to have a take a rebound for at least few days. Boleh jalan a bit lah, but today still cannot. Okay. I was looking into SFP tag. Okay, but like I say hourly chart. If let's say no setups, you don't rush yourself to enter. Okay. So okay, now let's look into some counters that we do talk about these few days. Even though not much. SFP tag. Okay, yesterday actually, like I said, I'm looking for opportunity because of the climatic volume. But provided, okay, the hourly chart setups form. Okay, if let's say it didn't show anything, then okay, I just probably going to stay away first. Okay, now let's look into hourly chart. Okay, but I still think that nothing much. Today also not much movement. So no reversal yet. Yes, we got high volume over here, but I want to see some reversal patterns coming. Like for example, they crossed 20-40-day moving average. More high volume or up candles. That one will give me a bit more of confidence. Okay, that's maybe they will try a little bit higher. Then I will do a little bit of quick trades. Okay, but so far no. Okay, let's see Genting M. Anyone else holding Genting M? Okay, the day I actually wanted to enter, but due to weak market, so okay, for now I'm safe. So okay, now let's see whether they can move back to here or not. Okay, so this is the previous so-called support at 2.10 cents. Okay, 2.10 cents is the previous support. Now looks like they are trying to retest this area again. All right, so let's say they can break back. Okay, retest here, then maybe slowly they can go back to 2.4 again. Okay, but let's see how is the closing for today first. Okay, I'm going to rush myself to enter also. Okay, for this discount at this moment for Genting M. Okay, the Naga SDG looking for EP. Okay, now let's try the Naga. Genting app rate 2 ringgit. This morning long gap up. Gap down at 2 ringgit. Okay, now let's try the Naga. Okay, the Naga looking for EP. Okay, actually now it's a support. I think Grace last week or this week we do talk about the Naga. So this is the line that I draw, as you remember. Okay, like I said, I'm still holding my half portions of my Tenaga. This will be my crucial support level. If let's say it break below, maybe I will exit. Okay, so if you want to EP right now, I think they are actually a support. Okay, I think they are actually a support. All right, so it's a good so-called area. Okay, to look for the entry opportunities. Okay, so next one probably will be somewhere around here. Next one will be somewhere around here. So if you don't want to enter here, okay, next one will be somewhere around this area. 13 ringgit. 13 ringgit will be our next area. SDG, let's try. SDG also got triangle patterns. Okay, so SDG, okay, breaking up. Okay, breaking up this short-term, so-called short-term resistance. Okay, so yeah, the day you miss, here actually the support. The day you ask or what? This one SDG, I think the other day we also got talk about in our Telegram also. But I'm not sure whether someone asked or not in live Facebook. So yes, 4.8 is a support. Okay, 4.8 is a support. Today breaks a little above already lah. Okay, so overall the setup is still good. Okay, overall the setup is still good. So if you want to enter can, of course, 4.8 still is the best area to look for the opportunity. Okay, but overall setup is still good. Okay, for SDG. In fact, I prefer SDG more than Tenaga right now, because Tenaga, I feel that they will do a shakeout. So I also prepared, if let's say it drop below support, probably just exit everything first, then I will wait for my next opportunity. All right. So okay, now let's look into Genting M. Genting M again. I wait at 2 ringgit. But let's say 2 ringgit also, I feel not that interesting anymore. Okay, this one I have to use weekly chart. Use weekly chart. 2 ringgit is where? 2 ringgit is here. Okay. I would say, if let's say they break the current support, right, I would say 1 ringgit 80 over cents. Okay, maybe 1 ringgit 80 over cents. But let's say they didn't really hold above the 2 ringgit 10 cents. I don't think I'm interested anymore. Okay, because this kind of counter is yes, even though they are in accumulation, but sometimes this one will drag you one. This one, the sideway will drag you for months or even years. And like I said, unless you're looking for long term, so there's different things, because normally I rarely go for long term. Okay, so now FAY 7 out of 9, which is good. Okay, of course, very bad today. Okay, very bad. Okay, so if you looking for purely on FA side, okay, then yes. All right, so maybe 1.8 can go a little bit. 2 ringgit, I think okay also is very close as well to 1.85. So okay, now let's look into Eno and Maybank. Which one looking good? I know Maybank is looking good. Eno, both of them actually very similar. Okay, a bit like cup and handle patterns. There's a small handle here. Wait. Okay, but today resistance so again crucial area for them to see whether can cross or not. 1.8 is good. Okay, crossing 1.8 is good. Don't ask me can EP or not because this one exactly at resistance. All I can say is that the setup is there. The reaccumulation with cup and handle pattern is there. But whether your entry right or not, that one I leave you to decide. Because right now it's at resistance. Can break or cannot break, I don't know. This is what happened in the futures, right? Sometimes what happens is that they breaks up, then later 3-4 p.m. Markets at the sell off, shooting star. Okay, then they drop, retest support again. Then after 1 or 2 months, they break again. Okay, this might happen, right? But so far, overall, the background I kind of like this. Okay, they do a nice so-called reaccumulation, slowly building up. Okay, at resistance, I don't see any major weakness. Of course, over here we do have some high volume, but it's not the highest. So I still think that they got chance to push further. Today or not, I'm not sure. Okay, because right now, to be frank, it's at the resistance really. Okay, now let's try Maybank. I know Maybank also very close to resistance. The other day, because of the news, the CFO, is it result gonna fire or something? Oh, sorry. I know why already. Just now I use weekly chart. No wonder. Okay, now let's go back to daily chart. Okay, let's go back to daily chart. Sorry, Okay, so yeah, this one was, okay, kind of similar also. Okay, kind of similar also. Okay, so this is like a reaccumulation, breaking up. Okay, still the same, a bit. It's close to resistance already. Over here, let's see got any weakness or not. If let's say using daily chart. Okay, no weakness. Okay, no weakness. Okay, setup is good. Okay, setup is good. But You have to decide because now at resistance. I rarely buy exactly at resistance or close to resistance. Okay, especially like sometimes market week. It's not that they cannot push, but sometimes due to market week, they goes up already. Then people selling already. Then after that they need to drop back to support. Okay, this is Maybank. Maybank also trying at the resistance right now, very close also. Pattern wise is good. They do have a shakeout over here. Okay, 10.4 is a good support area. Okay, so if you ask me both, okay, wait, let me see quickly chart also. Actually, very difficult to choose because both of the setup got their own so-called advantages. Okay, advantages. Okay. Okay, if let's say momentum, I would say Maybank at this moment. Okay, I would say Maybank is somehow got nicer a little bit. All right. So okay, now for Eno doesn't mean it's not good. I think they still got some things to offer. Okay, especially if let's say they break resistance. Because why? When the price, when the stock price, okay, do a reaccumulation, okay, for a period of time. This is back to, hopefully you can see on my screen. This is back to around May 2022. Okay, when they start hit here and then drew a sideways to right now, Jan Feb 2025. Okay, so it's been almost 2 years. Okay, whenever they do a reaccumulation for 2 years, right, the breakout normally it representing there will be a new trend coming. Okay, now in other hands, Maybank, you don't see the reaccumulations yet. Okay, so which means that maybe when they breaks, right, still got momentum. Okay, but probably it won't last that long anymore because the trend definitely will get exhausted one. What we see in property constructions also. Okay, like last year, right, very good momentum. This year all exhausted already. Okay, all also like okay, cannot perform any YTL power. So everything is the same. Okay, so everything got team and cycle. So okay, if let's say you want to look for short-term momentum, probably Maybank currently is the best choice. If let's say for longer time periods, I would say Eno will slightly give you more advantage. Okay, so that's my opinions lah. Okay, if you ask me, I'll prefer more Eno. I kind of like Eno kind of stuff because normally I like when the stock have a so-called like a long period of reaccumulation or shakeout. So whenever the break, right, the trend will be more so-called solid. Okay. But like I said, unfortunately, there are resistance. It's something that also I won't enter unless they pull back to maybe 1.6 again. Okay, so that's where that I will look for my lowest opportunities. Okay, now let's look into my analyzer as well. Analyzer over here. So this is Eno. Hey, very good FA. 8 out of 9. Okay, very good FA. Okay, TA wise, yes, they are resistance right now, so they are trending. Okay, now let's go into Maybank. Okay, Maybank 3 out of 9, not the best one. Okay, TA wise is still the same because they are actually at the resistance. So yeah, 7 out of 10, almost 7 out of 10, so still good. Okay, so yeah, this is things that I can view. Okay, based on current chart. Okay, now let's go back to daily. Any other counters you have to look into? Okay, today quiet market lah, and of course today also Friday lah. So I didn't trade for 1 week plus already, 2 weeks. So today also I won't go to enter any store as well. Wow, Uchitech drop. Okay, so now let's do into weekly. Okay, weekly they back to the 2040 MA. Okay, looks like they started to build reaccumulation lah. So now this is what it means, reaccumulations. Okay, so sometimes trend were exhausted. Okay, now they seems like exhausted already. Okay, tested 1, 2, 3 times. Okay, so okay, if you are looking for EP, because wow, this week volume very high. Down bar with high volume. Okay, down bar with high volume, increasing volume lah. Okay, not to say the highest, but increasing volume. Okay, so support here. main support. Okay, this is the main support. How much currently is 3 ringgit 76 cents. Okay, here will be 3 ringgit 57 cents. Okay, so 10 cent difference, around 10 cents difference. Okay, so I would say this area is the next support area. Okay, and it somehow is slightly a safer area to look for a lower opportunities. Of course, because this one Uchitech also it kept down, okay, with high volume. So most likely, you know, the momentums for short term is slightly a bit towards the bearish. Okay, so for example, previously over here, right? You notice here also got a high volume down bar. So normally high volume down bar, which means that short term wise, probably they will have slightly a bit bearish momentum. All right, so maybe you can lowest opportunity wise aim around 360 cents. If I were you, looking for opportunity in Uchitech. Okay, so okay, now again look into my analyzer. Okay, 6 out of 9, still pretty good. Okay, not too bad overall. 6 out of 9. Of course, like I say, TA wise is definitely out already currently. Okay, time. I think time.com yesterday we reviewed is quite nice, right? Oh, okay. Good closing yesterday. Okay, but against still cannot break resistance. Okay, a bit similar like and Maybank today, huh? So, but market week, to be frank with you, it's not. It's sometimes it's not because the chart is not nice. Sometimes because it's due to the market. Okay, so market like this, everything push also people sell. Okay, difficult to go up. Okay, now same things over here because yesterday they cannot break the resistance, but it's not too bad overall the closing. I think it's not goes up and then close at the down, close at the opening price area, so that will become a shooting star. All right, so I think today crucial because you want to see low volume, okay, on a narrow candle, of course. So if let's say today show low volume narrow candle, I think overall the sideway here is still very healthy. Okay, if you ask me, I would still think that this area is a good for EP lah. Okay, I'm not sure whether you can tahan or not lah. You cannot tahan, you can enter right now lah. Okay, if can one 5 ringgit and you wait 5 ringgit. Okay, I think 5 ringgit, yes, exactly at the gap area. Okay, so I think this area, this zone over here is a good area lah to so-called if you want to try. Okay, it's a good area to try. Okay, because I know some investor traders they want to wait lah, cannot wait lah, buy only lah, the 10-cent tapper lah, the small risk only. Okay, but for me, each of the cent is also money for me, potential profit for me. So yes, if I were you, I would wait here, which is I think Kevin is right now, 5 ringgits. Okay, any other questions? Okay, any other questions? Like I said today, still boring day. I don't have much thing for you all. I wish I have, but I wish I have something for myself as well. But looks like other. Okay, this is somehow my current stock alerts. Okay, like I said, I'm using pullbacks and rebound trades. But right now, pullback also I don't think is a quality one. Okay, pullback need to have certain so-called some criteria lah. At least market is uptrend. If let's say market is like this, no pullback one. So sometimes I see pullback in this kind of market. I don't really bother. Okay, so what you do is that you look for this type. Okay, you look for this type rebound before uptrends. Okay, which means that the price probably have beaten down already, then the reverse. Okay, so okay, I do see Muda Jaya rebound before uptrends coming. Okay, not too bad. Wow, this one penny stock. I takut lah. You tak takut boleh try. I takut. Okay, so this text cam also. Wah, jalan cepat lah. Got gap lah. This one can monitor already. Okay, a bit similar like yesterday we looked into one stock. What's the stock already? MLCB or CMSB? I can't recall. Reversal with gap up lah. Okay, gap ready, then you test here, then it's a good sign. Okay. Okay, any others? Okay, looks like some plantation counters coming back also for today. Okay, if you are bought, SKB shot. Okay, if you are also beaten down. Okay, nothing much, nothing special. Okay, oh, gap up with down bar. Okay, also nothing much for short term. KSL. Okay, looks like nothing like today. Net gates. Okay, net gates also dropped a lot recently. Okay, so far shooting star. Okay, now this one be careful lah. Like I say, this type of counters be careful lah. Okay, anyone here still in net gates? Or anyone here still holding net gates? Or anyone here interested in net gates? Okay, if yes, type 1 for me. If you're out already, type 2. I know net gates is one of the so-called favorite counters. Okay, but this one I have to be careful already. Okay, in terms of FA wise, 4 out of 9. Okay, TA definitely out. So, okay, now let's look into these are the reasons why I say need to be careful. Okay, notice here, we got, okay, let me just zoom in a little bit. Okay, Kevin still holding or interested. Okay, here we got high volume. Like I say, normally the candle going up, high volume down bar is not a very good thing. Okay, now second, I do feel that they have somehow inverse pullback kind of patterns. Okay, which is now, okay, let me just erase so you can see this better for everyone. Yeah. Okay, give me a minute. Okay. So, okay, now this one, this is macam period support right? Okay, period support, break. Okay, so here, okay, not holding. Okay, so here, if let's say they cannot break back to 2.2, it's a bit dangerous. Okay, a bit dangerous. This is what we call inverse pullback. Of course, the support right now, the main support, this is 1.7. Okay, 1.7. So let's say break 1.7. Okay, it's not going to look good anymore. But right now for me, it's also not so nice. Okay, right now for me, also not so nice because I don't like the high volume down bar from the top. Okay, so I think I do explain previously already. Even like those Suncon, is it Suncon? All this I think also having that. Like this type. So also need to watch out. Got inverse pullback patterns or not. Okay, Pardini, let's do the last one before we end our sections. Unfortunately, today nothing much. Again, same things, nothing much. We just keep our money in our portfolios. I think that's the best thing we can do. Okay, Pardini also dropped a lot. I think we reviewed Pardini also, right? These few days, I also cannot recall. Okay, Pardini. Okay, now doing some technical rebound. I do see high volume on up bar. Okay, on this candle, a bit as a tag. Okay, currently they are reversing. Okay, now this one, next one, resistance 2.1. Okay, maybe can hit. Okay, because of recovery patterns. Okay, if not, because normally this one, normally if let's say you want to look for short-term rebound, use hourly chart. Okay, hourly chart. You want to look for Ruku, you want to look for entry or exit. You look for entry, probably wait for some support, retest on support first in hourly chart. Okay, I think it would be nicer. Okay, but just short-term opportunity is there. Okay, because they're able to drop here, push back to 1.8. Okay, maybe if you want to aim near to 2.1, I think still possible. Okay, still possible. Okay, looking for EP. Okay, so if let's say, okay, if I'm trading this Pardini, again, you don't need to follow me. Just this is my style. Okay, normally I see, okay, crossing already, 2040 crossing hourly chart. Okay, good sign. Okay, maybe I'll wait for a few more hours. Let's see whether it can touch or not. This 20 MA. So hopefully 1.8 area, once it touch, then okay, it will rebound to 2.1 area. Okay, so this is somehow my strategy. Normally I look for reversal. Okay, which is trying to buy close with the support because now market is not very good markets. Okay, I think with this I will end my section for this morning over here. So again, if you like my section, hopefully you can help me to click the like buttons, help me to share this out, and we have Telegram as well if you think that you want to have more discussions on daily basis, you can post your chat over my Telegram so that from time to time we have discussions there. All right. So with this, thank you. I have one more section tonight. Okay, together with Dato' Yu from XIFU Value, where we're going to talk about glove. Hey, yeah, glove. Let's look into glove lah. Glove also mati sudah. But of course, I still know that some of you are still keen on glove counters, especially Hata, Kosan, because they come with a very good fundamental. Tonight, okay, Dato' Yu, which is his very investing practitioner, he's going to cover more, okay, in terms of the FA perspective. Okay, so later on also I will join Dato' Yu to do on the TA perspective using weekly and daily chart. All right, so with this, thank you. I'll see you tonight.